In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a funnel in system.io. If your list of funnels is getting crowded or you want to tidy up experiments you're no longer using, archiving is a quick way to keep your workspace clean without permanently deleting anything. Think of it as putting a project in storage so it's out of sight but still recoverable if you need it later. First, log into your system.io account. Make sure you sign in with the workspace you actually want to organize, especially if you manage multiple projects. A quick tip: before you archive, glance at recent performance or notes you've kept so you're confident you're shelving the correct funnel. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the funnels area. You'll typically find this in the main navigation. This is where all your funnels live, including active campaigns, tests, and past builds. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or sorting options to narrow things down by name or most recently updated. Find the funnel you want to archive, double check the funnel name, and, if needed, preview it to confirm it's the one you're ready to put away. It's helpful to make sure there aren't any scheduled promotions or ads still pointing to it. If there are, you might want to pause those first so you don't send traffic somewhere you're archiving. Next, look to the right side of that funnels row for the three dots, the More Options button. Click those three dots to open the action menu. This menu is where you'll find quick controls for things like editing, duplicating, and in this case, archiving. Take a breath here and confirm you've selected the exact funnel you intended, especially if you manage similarly named versions. From the drop-down, choose Archive. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. Archiving won't delete your funnel or its data, it simply removes it from your active view so you can focus on what's current. After you archive, the funnel will no longer clutter your main list, and you can continue working on the projects that matter most right now. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Funnels, find the funnel, open the three-dot menu, and select Archive. It's a small action that can make a big difference in keeping your system.io workspace streamlined. If you ever need that funnel again, remember it's safely stored and can be brought back when the time is right. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace organized so you can move faster with less distraction.